The M2 system can occasionally track false targets, like rain and waves. In order to automatically identify these false targets, the M2 system uses a model developed using machine learning to predict how likely it is that a playback track was a true vessel. Attributes like speed, distance, and track shape are used by the model to calculate a target confidence score for each track. The target confidence score ranges between 0 and 1, with low confidence values indicating likely false targets, and high confidence values indicating likely true vessel tracks. In the M2 viewer, the target confidence score is shown for all tracks under the track identification number. The color circles correspond to these confidence score values. This track, with a very high confidence score, is confirmed to be a true vessel using the photos from that track. The next track, with the moderate confidence score, is also confirmed to be a true vessel. This track, with a very low confidence score, looks like an atypical track for a true vessel. There are no vessels in the photos, so this track is likely confirmed to be a false target. When the raw radar layer is overlaid, it appears that this false target occurred as a result of high wave activity at the time. Within the playback menu, tracks can be filtered based on the target confidence score. A default cutoff value is used to hide those tracks with very low target confidence scores. That way, only those tracks that are likely to be true vessels are prominently displayed when using the M2 viewer.